Hi there, I'm Richard Fox and this is a Real Chef collaboration in partnership with Real Kombucha. And today I'm going to make curried quinoa with spiced roasted vegetables and pumpkin seeds. So it's really healthy, really nutritious, it's incredibly tasty and it's dead easy to make. It's kind of the holy grail of cooking really. So we're going to start off making our spiced oil for the roast veg. Dead easy. So I've got some cold pressed rapeseed oil and into there we are putting our mixed spices. We've got ground coriander, we've got ground cumin, we've got ground cinnamon, we've got chili. This is a really great way to use up all those dry spices you've got sat in the cupboards doing nothing. Don't worry about the best before date on them. The thing to do is just smell them. If there's aroma in there, it's going to impart into the food. There we go. Okay, we're going to roast the vegetables now. So onto an oven tray, get them in a single even layer for even roasting. Okay, while the vegetables are roasting, we're going to prepare our curried quinoa. So the first thing we need is finely diced onion. The key to get that lovely light caramelization on them, which is what we're looking for here, is to cook them slowly. Don't rush them, otherwise they end up overcooked on the outside and crunchy in the middle. And we want them soft and melting. Right, we've now got a lovely light golden brown caramelization on our onions, so we're ready to add our ginger and garlic paste, along with a bit of chili and turmeric. We're now going to add our quinoa. I've got my spinach. Right, I'm just going to add a little bit of garam masala. Right, our vegetables should be nicely roasted by now as well, so let's get those out. Add the coriander to the quinoa. Always add your fragile herbs at the very end of cooking. And when you've turned the heat off as well underneath them too. Otherwise, you end up with all those lovely essential oils dissipating and you lose the flavour. Right, let's get our serving plate. Oh, this smells absolutely amazing. What to have with it? So I have opted for the Royal Flush from Real Kombucha. We're going to serve that. This is a proper grown-up, non-alcoholic drink. Beautiful with food, lovely served in a wine glass. This particular one's got some lovely spicy notes. It's really effervescent, so it'll cut through the spiciness in that dish. Absolutely delicious. Curried quinoa, spiced roasted vegetables, quick, easy, cheap. Recipe is on the website as well. Enjoy.